Hi guys, I hope you are doing absolutely fine. And this is Parul Pungalia, your very own fashion blogger, and I'm going to be talking about a Nykaa makeup haul which I bought from their hot pink sale. And yeah, so these are so these are my two boxes. This is the second one, and I haven't even opened it yet. And this is going to be my first ever review of the products. So I'm really excited. If you're keen to watch the video, or if you're interested in watching the video, please keep on watching. So I'm just going to quickly open them. So this is going to be a little bit long video. If you want to grab a snack or something, you can. And then I'm going to be showing you the each and every product that I've bought, and what it does for my skin and what not. And some of the products I have ordered twice. So just we'll just see what these are. And yeah, I'm just going to be drinking a little bit of hot water. And quickly gonna show you. The first product that I'm gonna show you is this Garnier Skin Natural Micellar Water. So this came early, so I opened it up, and this is very great for removing your makeup or cleansing your face, cleansing all the impurities. And this is the third or fourth bottle that I've ordered from Nykaa, and I must say that it is really very helpful in not only removing the makeup but also balancing the pH level of the skin. It's for sensitive skin, and it also, the best thing about this product is that it removes the waterproof mascara as well as the stubborn eyeshadow or pigmented eyeshadow of your face. Okay, so another product that I have ordered, the second product that I have ordered is this Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera. Sorry for the bad throat. This is Patanjali aloe vera gel. It's a Saundarya aloe vera gel, and just like any another aloe vera gel, this is the best. This is one of the best products from Patanjali, and it's very affordable. It is just priced at rupees. It's priced at rupees 150, and it's really very much recommended because aloe vera is aloe vera is a natural product, and it not only helps in giving your skin a nice fresh shine, but also helps in restoring the nutrients of the skin, and can also be used for treating pimples, wrinkles or acne. And yeah, this is a very multifaceted product, and you can use it for your skin for treating the acne and pimples, etc. Sometimes I also used to use aloe vera gel as a primer before doing my makeup. I don't know if that's the correct step to do, but it really helped me as per my skin is concerned. And so yeah, another product that I have ordered from Nykaa is this Nykaa So Matte lipstick. It's in this shade. It's in the shade 41M Peachy Princess. I have yet to open it, and this was looking like a really nice peachy shade, like the one that I'm wearing right now. And yeah, so I thought, why not give it a shot. It was like retailing for, it was originally priced at 650, but after sale it came for like 300, so that's a great buy. And another lipstick that I've ordered is again from Nykaa, and it's in the shade 40M Pink Paradise. So I was running short of pink lipsticks, so thought of ordering another pink lipstick. because I was running from the Maybelline powder matte lipsticks. So I thought, why not order another pink lipstick? Because you guys know that how much I love pink lipsticks and nude lipsticks, and I wear them daily, on a daily basis. So this also came for 300 rupees. So that is quite a steal. So another thing, and so there's another product from Nykaa, and this is their Prep Up Face Primer. I've heard a lot about this product, and you guys were asking me that which primer do I use, which makeup base that I use. So mostly I use this Nykaa Prep Up Face Primer, and this is a silicone based primer. It's like it has a gel consistency, so it goes really well before your makeup, and it not only helps in setting up the makeup, but it also provides a nice base, a nice coverage, so that the foundation blends easily and the foundation blends well into the skin, and there are no parched lines on the face. So I would recommend this product. And this product was for like 650 or something, but after sale I got it for like 450. I got it for 450, so that's quite a steal. So I'm going to quickly place it here. So now I'm coming on to skincare products. Okay, there are two skincare products that I've ordered. So this is one Plum green tea renewed clarity gel. This is actually a night gel and night cream, and I was very much interested into buying a night cream or a skincare product because I was running short. I had stocked out of the moisturizers and creams, so I thought, why not give it a try, why not give this product a try. This was looking really amazing, and it was for a nice deal. Let me just check it out. Sorry, I just went out of the frame. So okay, this product was like, it's retailed for 575, but I got it for 439, which is a nice deal. And also Plum products, I have heard a lot about Plum products, that they are very natural, they are dermatologically tested, this they have a nice fragrance, they smell really well, and they also have a great consistency and natural texture. So I thought, why not just give it a try. So yeah, this is the product, this is how it looks like. I am yet to open the bottle. I will share with you the review if this product works well for me. As for now, just keep it. So guys, another product that I ordered from the Nykaa sale was this Instant Age Divine Concealer from Maybelline. As you guys know, I love concealers. I love concealers a lot. And these are my go-to makeup products, because whenever I'm heading out or whenever even I'm shooting, my skin does not need a lot of makeup. But if I am wanting to get a good base, this concealer works very well for me. This has a medium to full coverage, and it hides all your dark circles. You can't even see, even if you haven't slept the entire night, or if you are running on 2 to 3 hours of sleep. This works really well. And this was for like, this retails for 620, but I got it from Nykaa's Hot Pink sale for 400 rupees, which is a nice deal. And you won't even get it from the nearby stores, but this from Nykaa is a great deal. You should definitely order this concealer, because every beauty blogger raves about it, every skin expert raves about it. This is a nice product. So another product that I ordered is the Mama Earth Onion Hair Mask. Uh, this is very good for hair fall, or if you have really less volume of hair, if you have thin hair and you're struggling with hair fall because the weather is very gloomy, there's a lot of humidity. This is there's monsoon season going on, so you should definitely give it a try. This is the second tub I'm ordering, and I must say that this product is really amazing product. This is a glow haven product. It gives a nice shine to your hair, and whatever hair fall that you were suffering from, that is gonna just stop, and you will get a good shine from this onion hair mask. And it has amazing ingredients, that is cedarwood oil, then organic vinegar, organic bamboo vinegar, then onion oil. It has only because it's onion hair mask, so it has onion oil and onion oil, and there is rosemary oil. And I have heard that rosemary oil is very good for your hair, and even it is good for your skin. So overall this product is worth buying, and this product was for like 600 originally, but I bought it for like 350. I bought it like for like 400, so this is quite a deal, guys. You should definitely use it twice a week with a mild shampoo if you're suffering from hair fall or hair loss, as I'm suffering. So I'm just gonna quickly try this product and just tell you how it is. And another thing that I have bought from Maybelline, this is from Maybelline again. This is their Lash Paradise Mascara. This is the Lash Sensational Paradise Mascara. Now this mascara I have like ordered it for the thrice or fourth time from Nykaa, and I must say that this product absolutely gives amazing fluttery voluminous lashes, and even with one coat. But if you want more volume into your lashes, or if you want your eyelashes to look fuller and fluttier, flutter even, is that even a word? I don't know. But if you want your lashes to look more voluminous and more fuller, so you should definitely give this product a try. And this is an amazing product. After Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal, I have ordered Lash Sensational, and I must say that I rave about this product a lot. So this was also for like retailing for 600. Originally it is for 600, but I got it for 460 rupees. That's quite a steal, guys. Okay, so another product, there are two products from Huda Beauty, so I would like to share with you. This is their Demi matte lipstick, and this is a liquid matte lipstick. And I've heard a lot about Huda Beauty products and Huda Beauty lipsticks, and this is my first Huda Beauty lipstick. I'm very excited about it because I've heard a lot about it, and a lot of makeup artists and salon people use Huda Beauty products, Huda Beauty lipsticks especially. So I'm really excited about this product and how it will work. If you want a separate review of Huda Beauty lipstick or Huda Beauty eyeshadow, please tell me in the comment section below. I'll do that for you. And so this lipstick is in the shade Shikha. This is a nice mauve nude shade, and I'm gonna be wearing this lipstick, I guess, on some occasion or some parties, because look at the packaging, guys. This is so beautiful, so pretty. Okay, I guess this costs for about 1500, but I bought it for like 1100, and this is quite steep. Another thing that I got from Huda Beauty is from Nykaa is this Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, and this is what the packaging looks like. I haven't even opened it yet, and I have already ordered Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsession palette, and those are really pigmented shade, guys. I must say, even with one stroke of brush, you'll get amazing pigmentation, and the payoff is just amazing, and the shades are really creamy and so beautiful. Let me just open it for you. Can you see that? These are so pretty, guys. So pretty. So just tell me, I'll do a separate review for the same. And another okay, so coming on to the last product from this bag is this L'Oreal. I already opened the packaging today, but it's such a blunder. Okay, so this is a lot of bloggers who are raving about it, that it is an amazing product. It's not clear on the camera, I don't know why. So this is their Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing Plus Radiance Serum, and this works really well for all skin types, and I am on a dry skin type, so this will give a good hydration to my skin, and amazing hydration. It has Crystal Micro Essence Serum, and I've seen this in lot of beauty bloggers story, and even L'Oreal, even the ratings in Nykaa were very good, and it was highly recommended, so I thought, why not give it a try. So I just went for a travel friendly bottle, but you can try it for a full size bottle, which like retails for 720 rupees, and this one I got for 250 rupees, so that's what it looks like. It will work really well for my after makeup things, before makeup things. Okay, so this bag is done. Another bag of makeup that I'll just get will be this. This is the second box. Let me just open it up. So this is the second, this is the last product that I have ordered, and this was in a combo, and these are mini liquid lipsticks from Smashbox, and this is my first ever purchase from Smashbox, and I'm really excited to use these lipsticks. And these are matte liquid lipsticks. There are 2 shades in this combo, and it was originally priced for like 1100, and I got it for 990 rupees, which is amazing steal, which is amazing buy, good offer. And there is one deep red shade, that is Boss. This is a deep red or deep red or hot red shade, and then another shade that I got is Gulabi. This is a cool toned red, and it will work really well for me. I'll definitely wear it for a daily basis, because it's a nudish red shade, cool toned red shade. And then this shade I'll like wear it for events or something, or parties, or for my shoots. So yeah, these are the lipsticks. So guys, for today I'm ending the haul. I hope you liked what I shared with you, and this was really helpful for you. So I'll put the links in the description box below, so you can check it out on your own. I hope you guys liked the video. If you like, please subscribe, comment, share, and share it on your stories, guys. Love you. Bye.